Starting a dropshipping business with Big Cartel is an accessible way to sell products without managing inventory. Here's how to get started. Create your Big Cartel account. Sign up at Big Cartel and choose a plan that suits your needs. The free plan allows for up to 5 products, ideal for testing your dropshipping model. Select a dropshipping supplier. Choose a dropshipping supplier that integrates with Big Cartel. Popular options include Printify for print-on-demand products or Oberlo for general products. Research suppliers that offer products relevant to your niche. Import products. Once you've chosen a supplier, import products to your Big Cartel store. Ensure you write compelling product descriptions and add high-quality images. Set your prices. Determine your pricing strategy by considering the cost from your supplier, shipping fees, and your desired profit margin. Configure shipping settings. Go to the shipping section in Big Cartel and set up your shipping rates. You can offer flat rates or free shipping to attract customers. Launch your store. Once everything is set, review your store and launch your Big Cartel store. Promote it through social media and online marketing to attract customers.